Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes and interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So today is the Tech Tuesday and we're going to be covering OBS. So if you do like these segments, make sure you do like and subscribe so you'll get more notifications when we're doing training videos and or whatever we may be doing with interviews behind the scenes. And that'll help you catch up to what's new and what's up and coming. So today, some of the questions that we had was about what these are over here. These are scenes basically. So these are some of the dialog boxes that we already have set up. So that way, like when we're recording this, I just have this in, set up a scene. So that's basically all my stuff's already in here. It's already saved. OBS saves that. So each time you want a dialog box over here or a file setup, believe me, it's a lot easier than going in and going through and trying to reset up what you have. So for example, if you're, doing any kind of gaming or anything, you set up your gaming platform. So if you want to set these up, just click the plus. You can click on scene. You can click on whatever you may want to do. We'll just put in here edit one or another scene, and you just click OK. So now you're in OBS and you have all your own sources you can set up, go through, add. So if you want to add your gaming capture, display capture, basically the gaming captures if you're recording the gaming, that'll be covered in a different segment. But most gaming is done through your display capture. So if you're wanting to set that up and anything else, your media sources, your audio sources, you would set all those up and then OBS would then save it in this folder. So as you see, we are on scene. That's our folder that I use when I do the recording to show you guys and talk to you about the training with OBS. But so again, this is the folder that we had created and all your information. You can go ahead and, put everything all in there. And then once that's all set up, do some tests, you hit your start recording. And then we'll go through too where the recording, we had some questions about where the recording then goes and how you set up your files for that too as well. So if you're just starting with OBS, it'll log into whatever folder you're putting it in or however you're doing that, or if you're, and we had some questions about live streaming. So there's a lot of content within OBS and we'll cover those on another segment. But that's how you do that. That's how you save yourself some time and set those up. So hopefully this helps and we'll cover some more segments within OBS. Be watching out for more of those, more interviews, more behind the scenes that Brian's doing, and a lot more from our channel. So we hope to see you on the next one, and we'll see you then.